another day. B is for apples, all juicy and red. B is for butter, we spread on our bread. C is for cupcake, cute and round. D is for donuts that spin around. E is for eggs, we crack with a smile. F is for frosting, we pile and pile. G is for grapes, we place on top. H is for honey that drips non-stop. I to Z in every bite. Alphabet cupcakes, what a sight. Marching, munching, singing too. JJ bakes them all for you. But cake is gone and it was sweet. But now let's clean and sweep our feet. Doggy grabs a soapy sponge. Kitty hums and helps a bunch. JJ sings, let's work as one. Clean up time can still be fun. Wash the bowl and wipe the tray. Thank you, friends, hooray, hooray. The kitchen's bright and sparkling clean. Teamwork made a lovely scene.